Hello, my dear learners. How are you? I am fine. I am MD Hanif, Senior Teacher English, Mother Tech Abdul Aziz School and College, Shobujbagh, Dhaka. We all know pandemic COVID-19 is going on all over the world. That's why our educational institutions are closed. Our education is being hampered. That's why our education ministry has given emphasis on online education. So I am here before you to teach a new lesson. Our today's lesson is transformation of sentences. Today we will learn how to transform assertive to interrogative sentence. So welcome to my new lesson. At first we know what is transformation. Transformation means to transform the sentences according to direction given in the bracket, but the meaning remain same or unchanged. Today we learn how to transform assertive to interrogative. Rule 1. If the sentence contains B1, that means base form of verb. Interrogative will be started with don't. If the verb is in S, yes or IS form, question is started with doesn't. If the verb is in B2 form of verb, that means past form of verb, question is started with didn't. Here it's a mistake, double writing with didn't. For example, we play well. Here base form of verb, so question start with don't we play well? Messi plays well. Here the verb is in yes form, so question we start doesn't Messi play well? He went there. Here the verb is in B2 form, that means past form of verb, so the question would start with didn't. Generally didn't he go there? Question. Here bear in mind, when you make question with don't, doesn't or didn't, the base form verb will in present form, or we use base form verb here, go. Play also here. Let's come to the next rule. Rule 2. If the sentences contain doesn't, didn't or did not, or don't or do not, question will be started with does, did, do. For example, here he did not go there. Here did not. Statement negative. So question positive. Did he go there? Question. Arish does not play well. Here does not. So question does. Does Arish play well? Rule 3. If the sentences contain auxiliary verb here, auxiliary verb, question will be started according to the following rules. Rules AB means auxiliary verb plus not in beef or contracted is used here. Subject plus rest part of the sentence. Question. For example, he is a student. Here auxiliary verb is. Question. Isn't he a student? Question side. They have done the work. Here auxiliary verb have. So question haven't. Haven't they done the work? Question sign. He can do the sum. Here modal auxiliary can. So use can't he do the sum? Question. More example you see here. Rule 3. If the assertive sentence is negative, question positive. For example, he is not a student. Here you see is not. We use is he a student? Is he a student? Question sign. Here only in this example number D, you notice here don't is not used because the statement negative, question will be positive. Another example, I cannot do it. Here negative cannot, we use can I do it? Can I do it? Okay, my dear student, come to the next rule. Hello my dear student, come to the rule 4. If the assertive sentence start with everybody, everyone, all, then the question will be started with who, doesn't, who didn't, who owned. When we use who doesn't, who didn't, who won't. When the sentence is in present form, simple present, we use who doesn't. When the sentence is in simple past, then we use simple past, who didn't. When the sentence is in simple future, then we will use who won't. Structure who common here, who plus who doesn't. You can use plus here, who doesn't or who didn't, or won't plus B1 form of verb, present form of verb plus rest part of the sentence, question sign, question mark here. Everybody likes flower, here everybody. So question likes, it's is in present indefinite tense, so use who doesn't like flowers. Question here example, for example, B all loved my mother. It's simple past, so we use here who didn't love my mother. Here all will go there, it's a simple future, so we use who won't. If we say in Bengali, we all go there, আমরা সবাই সেখানে যাব। কোশ্চেন হবে সেখানে কে না যাবে, who won't go there, so who won't go there. Due to all here everybody. Okay, my dear learners, come to the next rule. Rule 5. If the sentences start with none, no one, nobody, the question will be formed according to the following rules. Who plus rest part of the sentences or sentence question mark. That means who is here instead of none, nobody, no one, etc. For example, none can go there. If we say in Bengali, none can go there, সেখানে কে যেতে পারে? Question who can go there, that means সেখানে কেউ যেতে পারে না। No one could ever count my love for you, তোমার প্রতি আমার যে ভালোবাসা এটা কে কাউন্ট করতে পারে, কে গণনা করতে পারে? Question who could ever count my love for you, that means who could ever count my love for you. Okay, my dear learners, today we have learned 5 rules. There are more rules. We will discuss that rules in the next class. I think if we practice more and more at home, as you have no classes, no schools, so it will be easy to you to understand. Our class finished here. Bye bye, see you, goodbye everybody, my dear learners.